In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. As you can see, my passwords are over here. To check one of them, click on the chosen one and enter your current login method. Then use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!